Oil and NG both sustain the bullish levels. In fact, oil went close to 89 levels but dropped from 88.8. Likewise, NG has gone past 7.25 levels but failed to sustain. Now, what can be expected out of these two? Whether we can expect a bullish move or we are going to trade bearish from here. Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest updates. First, we'll look into US crude, followed with NG. Do watch till the end and do listen to it carefully. Also, note down the levels. See, just trading as per the levels, just sticking to the levels, that is what will make you profitable. So, stick and abide to the levels and the trading rules explained in the analysis. So, do listen to it carefully. Now, look at the hourly charts on oil. See, it is still trading bullish, taking the support here from the 20 period average at 87.80, rather you can say 88 levels here. And yes, there is a support at 87.5. We can see here multiple candles getting the support at these levels. Certainly below 87.5 it will call for a little more bearishness. At the same time, 88.5 is the strongest resistance. It stood as a wall here, and possibly if it breaks this zone, certainly it will call for little more bullishness. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic entering oversold zone, probably it calls for little more rise, but at the same time look at the MACD. The MACD has come to the sell zone and it is divergent and it is bearish, indicating there is still more bearishness left in crude oil, and hence you have to be careful there. RSI is flat. Now look at the 2-hour charts. Likewise, see, there is going to be support at 87.5, breaking below which you can find out this zone. I look forward to this zone at 86.8. Only and only if oil breaking below 86.8, you can expect that we are looking at 86, the next stronger resistance zone, breaking below which only you can confirm that there is bearishness, else it is trying to consolidate, it is still trying to trade. See, rise, retracement, higher highs are achieved, higher lows are seen, trying to trade within this channel. Hence, you have to be very cautious till 87.5 and 88.5 zone. Beyond 88.5, again 89.2, 90 can also be seen there. Directional movement bullish, stochastic overbought looking downwards, and MACD bearish, RSI flat. Look at the 3-hour charts. Now look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise, see, this is a bullish channel in which it is trying to trade. But can you see the change in slope here? Now this indicates that oil has certainly lost its bullishness for last few candles, and this also indicates we may probably see a drop from here. And see, whenever there is a change in slope, it indicates that the bullishness has diminished, and once it drops below the zone at 86.5, certainly you can expect a little more drop for 86, and this time the next destination is directly going to be 84 levels. Hence you can take your sell position at 87.5 till 86. You have to trade with caution, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss, and below that certainly 85.5, 85.2 and 84.5, 84 levels can be expected. Directional movement bullish, stochastic is overbought and looking downwards. The MACD is divergent and bearish here. The RSI is flat, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts, likewise you can see and that makes 87 a good support here, and below that we can see a further drop till towards 86 levels. Below 86 certainly 85.5, and then below that we may see a good drop which might bring it till towards the zone at 84. Hence you have to trade with caution. Yes, you can buy at 88.5, at the same time a sell position at 87.5 can be taken. A no trade zone is between 87.5 to 88.5. For this $1, you should not take any trade. Now look, oil has traded in this channel. Now also you can see the slope has changed here. Hence it can probably come back till towards 86.5, which is a very strong support. And if it breaks 86, certainly it will call for little more bearishness. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought indicates we may see a cooling. And look, the MACD is on the verge of a crossover here. Probably it may crossover with one red candle, sharp red candle. It will cross over for a stronger bearish move. See, RSI is overbought, and hence we can look forward to a little drop on the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts also. 4 green candles and the bullishness has diminished today. Certainly this is the last green candle. Certainly it failed to break past the highs out there, and from here definitely a possible reversal can initiate. From today we can expect a little more drop. Yes, if you see it trading below 87.5, certainly that is the level below which we can expect little more bearishness. But look at the directional movement. This is divergent and bullish. The stochastic is overbought, and hence we have to be cautious. It can try to drop. The MACD is divergent and bullish. Probably it has seen the highs. It may start to converge here. RSI is also looking slightly bullish. Considering this, buy at 88.5, and then you can expect 89.90 and above levels. If it continues to trade above 89.2, 90 levels, certainly it is going to fly high, and it can give you a very strong bullish move. At the same time, I will expect it to drop a little. The sell position at 87.5 can be taken, but remember 87, 86.5 and 86. These three levels you should note down. Very, very strong support at every $0.5 till 86 levels. If it trades below 86, certainly 85.2, 84.5, 84 levels can be expected. The next destination is still towards 84. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss, and always keep shifting your stop loss to your entry price, such that even in the event of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. Now let's have a look at NG. And yes, if you want to learn this art of mastering the markets, taking the right trades, right entries and right exits at the right time, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch is going to start on 7th of November. Be a part of it. 15 days, 90 minutes live webinars. Definitely the strategies taught will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals group and reach out to me for more details on same. Also, you can become a Patreon and support the effort which I am putting day-to-day basis on for you all. Now look at NG here. See, NG is creating a base. It has seen a sharp drop from 7.25 levels, and see it is creating a base out here, and this is a higher base from what we had seen earlier, and indicates that probably it may start to rally from here because it has been trading oversold since then. So yes, if you see it trading in fact above 6.97 levels, you can expect another round of rise which might take it till towards 7.05, 7.1 levels, and beyond that it is going to fly high again. Also, if you see it trading below 6.9, certainly you can take a sell position for 6.85 and 6.82 levels, but only bearishness is if it trades below 6.8. Directional movement bearish here. Stochastic is oversold on the early charts, and hence a bounce back can be expected. The MACD is trading bearish. It may start to convert. The RSI is at bottom, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you can also see it is trying to trade in this channel. It is the bottom out here. Possibly if it tries to reverse, then you can certainly buy at 6.97, and yes, if it breaches this zone at 6.9, certainly you can expect that little more bearishness can be expected. 6.85 is the level you should watch out for. Rather, I will recommend you to sell at 6.88, and then you can expect a little more drop. For 6.85 is a very good support. 6.8 is a very good support. Only trading below 6.8 you can expect that there is bearishness, else it can resume its upward trend. Hence buy at 6.95, and those who want to take a safe sale position should sell at 6.85 levels. Directional movement not indicative of anything. Stochastic is oversold. The MACD divergent and bearish, and it has seen the highs. Probably there should be a conversion from here. RSI is also trading at comfortable levels. Look at the 3-hour charts. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, see higher lows are done. See the previous candle hardly showing any move, and yes, if you see it reversing from here 6.97, if it breaks, certainly you can expect that we are looking at 7.02, 7.1, 7.2 and 7.4 levels can also be expected today itself. Be careful there. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is oversold on the 3-hour charts as well. The MACD is divergent and bearish on the 3-hour charts. That indicates that this is a contradictory sign from what we can see on other indicators, and hence you have to be careful for a little while. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour charts. 2 red candle, a probable third candle can appear. You have to be a little bit cautious and alert. Sell here at 6.88, levels, expect 6.85 and 6.8 as a very good support, and only below 6.8 we may see little more bearishness, as it is trying to trade in this channel where 6.85 certainly is going to be a good support. Taking the support, it can try to bounce back. The MACD divergent in directional movement is bullish, stochastic oversold. The MACD is bullish but trying to converge crossover for a sell. RSI trading flat. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, this is probably a sign of reversal, achieving the channel highs here. It is trying to reverse here, and it may now look forward, and it appears certainly in this bearish channel it is trying to reverse. But yes, it can try to close here in green and then initiate a greener candle with the next chart, next candle. So look, till the time it trades above 6.85, 6.88, certainly there can be little more bullishness. At the same time, real bullishness is only if it trades above 7.05. So buy above 6.97, sell below 6.88. For these $0.9, you should avoid the trade here. Only below 6.88 you can expect 6.85, 6.8. See, still 6.8, NG has got very strong support, and breaking below 6.8 you can certainly expect that there is more bearishness, and then it can try to draw for 6.72, 6.66 and 6.4, 6 rather I will say 6.4 levels can be seen, but if today or not, that needs to be looked at. But yes, you can initiate a sell entry at 6.88. You have to be cautious till 6.8, and below that you can further remain bearish for further drop. 6.66 levels should provide a support, and then 6.6 levels can be expected. On the upside, buy here at 6.97, expect 7.02, 7.1, and then it will fly off for 7.25 and 7.4 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. $4.9, avoid the trade. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, become a patron. Reach out to me for details. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.